Atomic time accuracy. Tsar Bomba TB8218W arrives like a satellite. Snap straps, twist bezels, change looks in seconds, no tools. Open-worked skeleton dial reveals automatic movement and rotating escapement. Sapphire crystal, 316L stainless steel, and 10 ATM rugged water resistance. Atomic precision timekeeping meets hands-free automatic winding for worry-free travel. Modular customization suits techies, globetrotters, and style-conscious professionals. Swap neon strap for formal steel bezel. One watch. Endless moods. Discover Tsar Bomba TB8218W. Bold mechanics, limitless customization. Shop now.